Hello children, today we will do some sums in which we have used the property of the circle that a perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord bisects the chord. Let us see to this sum. Two parallel chords of length 30 cm and 16 cm are drawn on the opposite sides of the center of the circle of radius 17 cm. Find the distance between the chords. Here in this question it is given, let us consider two chords AB and CD. And center, it is already given that center of the circle is O. Let AB and CD be two chords of the circle with center O. Now let AB is equal to 30 cm and AB is equal to 30 cm and CD is equal to 16 centimeter. Here we see that the chords are lying on the opposite side of the center. It is also given that radius of the circle is equal to 17 centimeter. So before we draw the radius, we need to write the construction which we are going to do. V join AO and CO. Let us join these. Such that AO is equal to CO is equal to 17 centimeter as they are radius of the circle. Now we draw OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to CD. We draw OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to CD. These two are perpendiculars from the center to the chord. So here we can use the theorem, since we know that perpendicular from the center to the chords bisects the chord. So using this property, what we will get is that AB has been bisected by OM. So we can write AM is equal to 1/2 AB. This implies that AM is equal to 1/2. The value of AB, it is already given, that is 30 centimeter. This implies that AM is equal to 15 centimeter. At the same time, we can see that ON is also the perpendicular to CD. So we can also write, here we are going to take CN. CN is equal to half CD. This implies that CN is equal to 1 by 2. CD, the value of CD is already given. It is 16 centimeter. Now this value here we will get half of 16 is 8 centimeter. Now here we have these two values. This has become 15 centimeter and this has become 8 centimeter. And what we have to do, we have to find distance between the chords. That is, we have to find this MN. Now how can we find this MN? For finding MN, we will do this part wise. First of all, in triangle AMO, we will find the value of OM, because here AO is known to us and AM is also known to us. And similarly, in this triangle CNO, we know the value of CN as it is 8 centimeter and OC it is 17 centimeter. So, and also we have drawn this perpendicular, so here they are forming an angle of 90 degrees. So these two are right angle triangle. So we will use Pythagoras theorem in these two triangles to find this distance OM and ON. So now let us continue with our calculation part. Now in right triangle AMO, what we will get, OA square is equal to AM square plus OM square. From this relation, this implies that actually we have to find OM square, so we are keeping it in this side. OM square is equal to OA square minus AM square. This implies that OM square, the value of O is 17 square minus what is AM, it is 15. This gives us OM square is equal to square of 17 is equal to 289. You must be remembering these values. And 15 square is 225. This implies that OM, we are going to put the square root over these, and on subtraction what we are getting here is that it is 64. This implies that OM is equal to 8 centimeter. Now let us move to the other triangle. Now in right triangle CNO, again applying the same Pythagoras theorem, we have CO square is equal to ON square plus NC square. This implies that we have to find ON, so we are going to keep this in the left hand side, is equal to CO square minus NC square. This implies that ON square is equal to CO is again equal to 17 centimeter, so this will be 17 square, and NC is 8 centimeter, so it will be 8 square. This is 8. This implies that ON square is equal to, again 17 square is 289. Let us write it, 289 minus 64. This implies that ON is equal to 289 minus 64, it is equal to 225, and this is equal to 15. Square root of 225 is 15. Now ON is equal to 15 centimeter. So as we have to find MN, and for that we need the value of OM and ON, which we have already found. So let us now find, hence MN is equal to OM plus ON, which is equal to, what is here? It is 8 centimeter plus 15 centimeter, and which in all gives 23 centimeter. Thus, we can say that the value, the distance between the chords, the distance between chords is 23 centimeter.